Have you ever wondered what those sleek, futuristic spaceships are really made of? I mean, we've seen them in movies, soaring through the cosmos, but what about in real life? Are they just a bunch of fancy metal and wires, or is there something more? Well, let's dive into the world of spaceship materials and find out. Let's start with the basics. When we think of a spaceship, we often picture a sleek, aerodynamic vessel made of shiny metal. And while that's partially true, the reality is much more complex. The materials used in a spaceship are carefully selected to withstand the extreme conditions of space, including extreme temperatures. Space can get incredibly hot or incredibly cold. Spaceships must be able to handle both extremes without cracking or melting. Radiation. The sun emits harmful radiation that can damage materials. Spaceships need to be shielded from this radiation. Micrometeoroids. Tiny particles of debris can travel through space at incredible speeds, potentially damaging a spaceship. The materials used must be able to withstand these impacts. So, what kind of materials can withstand such harsh conditions? Here are a few of the most common. Aluminum, lightweight and strong. Aluminum is a popular choice for spaceship construction. It can be easily shaped and formed into complex structures. Titanium, even stronger than aluminum. Titanium is often used for critical components such as landing gear and engine parts. It is also highly resistant to corrosion. Carbon fiber. This composite material is incredibly strong and lightweight, making it ideal for structures that need to be both durable and efficient. Kevlar. Known for its bulletproof properties, Kevlar is used to protect astronauts from micrometeoroids and other debris. Heat-resistant tiles. These ceramic tiles are used to protect the underside of the space shuttle from the intense heat of re-entry into the Earth's atmosphere. While these materials are essential for building a spaceship, there are many other factors to consider as well. For example, the specific composition of the materials can affect their properties. Adding certain elements or compounds can make a material stronger, lighter, or more resistant to radiation. Additionally, the way the materials are assembled is also crucial. Advanced manufacturing techniques, such as 3D printing, can be used to create complex structures that would be impossible to fabricate using traditional methods. So, the next time you look up at the stars and imagine a spaceship soaring through the cosmos, remember that it is a marvel of engineering, built from a carefully selected combination of materials. From the strong and lightweight aluminum to the heat-resistant tiles, each component plays a vital role in ensuring the safety and success of the mission. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, keep looking up.